Dude, it's me. I'm back again. It's like every 2 days I'm like fixing something else. The axle is kind of like making noise, being extra shaky, and just sounding like it's gonna snap again. I'd rather do it now before I end up on a tow again and strain it on the highway or something. And there's a big ass bee's nest up there. Just gotta get this done real quick, then try to get some photo shoots in today. This is a real nice warm day. We're outside and it's winter. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the new quality too and the lens. Got the wheel off, so I'm gonna kind of shaky it feels. Yeah, nothing else looks bad. It has to be my axle. That's the only thing that's loose. Yo, we out here doing our own little meet to get together. It's like, not yet though. Yeah, we were just doing pictures, you know, some nighttime shoots. We're just gonna be chilling for the night, you know, doing our thing, having a good time, enjoying the semi-good weather. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.